Sexual reproduction. So in previous video, I already said asexual reproduction happens in several ways. Okay, first method already we observed, that is fission process. Fission process, how it happens, that already we observed. Now I am going to explain the second topic, budding method. In this budding method, how organism reproduces and forms new ones, that is we want to see. So second method, budding. In this method. Okay, in this budding method, so budding is also a asexual reproduction method. In this method, a small bud-like structure is formed on some of the organisms. That bud gradually grows and forms as a new organism body. That new organism body maybe divides from mother organism and lives separately. So this is also a type of reproduction. So a small bud is produced. That bud gradually grows and then forms as the organism body and separate from the mother organism and lives. This method is said to be budding. Then how? That is, I am going to explain. Okay, example, when we observe yeast cells. In yeast cells, reproduction happens in budding method. How? That we want to see. Then how yeast cell present? Yeast cell how present when we observe? This yeast cell is like this. Yeast cell. This is like this. That means yeast cell is a microscopic, not to be appears to our naked eye. Only we can see it with microscope only. This is the yeast cell. It appears like this. Around this yeast cell, one membrane there. This is a membrane. So this is a membrane. A thin membrane is surrounded around the yeast cell. Then inside, so cytoplasm. Inside cytoplasm present. So this is the cytoplasm. And also one nucleus is present. Here is the nucleus. Simply you can show the yeast cell like this. So around a membrane is surrounded. Inside cytoplasm or protoplasm is present. And then one nucleus is also there in the yeast cell organism. Then this yeast cell reproduces in budding method. Then how? That is we want to see. Now see yeast cell. This is a yeast cell. First of all, this is a membrane, a thin membrane, we know already, surrounded around the yeast cell. Maybe at any one place, that thin membrane turns to soft. Wherever the thin membrane turns to soft, there a small bud like a small one bulges like this. Later, that bulging maybe some more grows. Some more grows like this nucleus. Now it appears as a bud. is appearing as a bud only. Now this bud maybe grow some more. Maybe afterwards it grows gradually like this, like this. So at this time, this nucleus, which is present inside in the yeast cell, divides into two. One stay here, another one enters into this bud. Now this bud also formed as a yeast cell. Then this newly formed this structure maybe separates from the mother yeast cell, then it can live separately. So this is a type of reproduction appearing in the yeast cell. Or how means a small incision, a small a growth happening here in this layer, then that is gradually growing as a bud. This bud gradually grows and forms as a new yeast cell organism. Now this newly grown organism separated from the mother yeast cell and lives separately. So such type of reproduction is said to be budding method. In this video, please subscribe me and also put a like also. Thank you.